Okay, there we go. Yeah, using the Yeti. Cool. Okay. Hey everyone. Stoked to be here. We are going to see if we can get a small version of the Dolly model and do some hyperparameter tuning on. Do some fine tuning on it. We're going to do this with sort of a we're going to do this with a small, very small, actually bordering on like trivial test version. And so that should be okay. We're pretty much just going to try like one record. Yeah. And yeah, let's see if that works. I'm gonna try and do this. I'm enjoying for playing around with if we can do a trivial fine tune. And I'm going to grab my YouTube link as well. And then we're going to put on some chill music. Yeah. Let's go. And instead we're going to go and press share now. Cool. So what are we going to do? Switch to terminal view. There we go. Okay. It says sharing. Doesn't look like it's actually sharing. I don't know why not. Stupid computers. Computers were a mistake. Okay, shared to Twitter. Let's see if it's shared to my LinkedIn like it said it was going to. Okay, cool. Yeah, okay, it did share. It didn't do its thing. Whatever. That's fine. Computers are terrible. That's par for the course. Okay. Let's start the treadmill. That's an important thing, because otherwise, actually, I don't know. Whatever. Oh, no. Yeah. Okay. So, where did we leave off? Right. Okay. So, there's where we left off, where we got things working remotely. And then in the local version, we're gonna go actually. What did I call it? Maybe it was an Explore Dolly. Let's take a look. Vanilla sample 20. Dolly. Oh yeah, this is the small one. Okay. So let's make sure that this indeed does work. And so this uses the 3 billion parameter version. We can see here, the load in 4-bit isn't super happy. But in this version, oh yeah, okay. Okay, for the load in 4-bit one, not happy. Think temp farts source Dolly VM bin activate. Okay. Maybe I hallucinated this working, in which case we'll spin up the other one. But here, oh yeah, he's gonna put on Techno Axe. Oh right, and then here sudo su. Then we run jtop. And it shows we aren't doing anything with the GPU yet. We're using a little bit of GPU memory, but it's not doing any processing, which makes sense. We're still in the loading phase. Okay, so this one, not super happy. Let's see here. Maybe I hallucinate. Okay, the GPU is doing things. Ooh, it's using 13 gigs of GPU memory, which is not nothing. This thing only has 32 gigs of memory, so you know, 13.6 gigs is nothing to sniff at. Okay, and then it finished, and so it actually did. Okay, so it generated something. It does work. It doesn't work on my desktop, which makes sense. Doesn't have a very powerful GPU at all. And the Kate's Worker NV1 is a Jetson AGX, which has a more powerful worker. A more powerful GPU, so it was actually able to do something. That's cool. Still a little inconvenient. Wish I could work on my home computer. Whatever. Now, given that it took serious wall time to generate that text, actually let's see how long it takes to do this. I have a notification from eBay. Good. Some dumb shit I ordered is on its way. Okay, we'll see how long this takes. This isn't gonna work. That's fine. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go over to this health insurance LLM directory, which we've got, which is similar to Explore Dolly, but anyways, yeah, okay. So let's go and look up how we can try and I keep saying hyperparameter tune, but that's not actually what we're doing. Okay, so the LangChain usage, performance. All right, and they really want you to use their training script, which I'm sure is good, but not quite what I want. But that's okay. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, okay. The other thing that I was thinking about was if I wanted to do it with Ray, and I think that's like a cool idea, and we'll do it later in Ray. I think that'll be like a V next. For now, let's just get it working on a single computer. So I'm gonna go over here. Then actually we're gonna go, what are we gonna do? Well, I think I like writing shell scripts because this is how my brain works. If git clone, yeah. Okay. So, all right, then. Well, okay. Well, actually, here, yeah. This will fail when we run it here, but it'll give us like kind of a starting point. Like that doesn't fail yet, but Dolly training or train. Okay, let's go look at Dolly train Dolly. What are we doing here? Something LLM. Oh yeah, health insurance. Let's take a look. Train Dolly. Oh yeah, this does a whole bunch of shit which, like, we don't have DB utils. We don't. No, we're not doing this. Not our party. Not our party. So, fuck that. Let's take a look at the trainer. So, Python /Dolly training / and there's like a main here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and our input model is going to be different than their default input model, because their default is like a reasonable one, and ours is going to be the tiny one, because that's the one I can fit in memory on my Jetson 2. Oh, actually, that's the 7 billion parameter version. I think for today, we're going to use the 3 billion parameter version. Let's make sure that's a real version and I didn't hallucinate that. Because I hallucinate things sometimes. And that's just because, like, yeah, in the real world, we'll probably train on the 7 billion. Sorry, we'll probably fine-tune the 7 billion one because that's what we can fit in memory on the workers that we plan to run inference on. But for today, we're just trying to get something. So we're going to do the smaller one so that, you know, mini progress. Okay. Okay. Oh, deep speed. Okay, and then our training data set is going to be tr data. So tr data is going to be equal to got this like super shady dataset generator which just puts things inside of the directory called out. If then okay, we've got our header, we've got this data set src directory, which is currently empty. And so I'm going to go ahead and then we're going to grab a health insurance denial, put it in our data set. I'm going to do that over here just in case. And in case anyone's curious, like these health insurance denials are all things that people have posted publicly. Turns out people get really upset with, health insurance denials, understandably. Okay, well, that's not the one I want. What about this one? Okay, underwriting. What do we have? Okay. MRI denial from jaw joint MRI denial. Underscore rejection.txt. Okay. Bunch of random shit at the bottom. Cool. So that's great. Jaw joint dash MRI underscore appeal.txt. Okay. Dear actually, let's make this a single token. I'm writing regarding claim number. Okay, whatever. We'll fill this in with like real text later. For now, we're just going to make sure that we can like generate some like a data set in the format that we need to do our thing. And it's probably going to fail. Okay, and yeah, raw data set. Raw data set. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's see if we got any data in there. Cool. We've got like something. Not great. Whatever. It's there. It's something. So. Yeah. Okay. That's the data. Let's go take a look at the format of the Databricks data that they use, because that's going to be the one that I'm interested in. Okay, Dolly. Here's their GitHub. So where data? Okay. No, I don't. Let's take a look here. What have they got? Okay, what's this git attributes? Weird. Funky monkey. Okay, whatever. Oh, LFS. Okay. I guess JSON L. So whatever. Let's out.json L. Okay. That's a thing. Okay, cool. Attempted relative import with no known parent package. Okay. That makes sense. So what are we going to do? So I think CD Dolly. CP /out. Fi. Okay. Okay, yeah, and then this is just a guess. Maybe we do have to go into the training directory, but I'm guessing this is no. Attempted relative import with no known parent package. Okay, so line 33. Trainer.py. Train Dolly. There's a bunch of shit. Sure. So from chaining generate. Does this actually do the training? Like, I don't... Okay, this calls load training data set. Okay, so let's just... Maybe we do have to go in through this train Dolly. Okay. Train. Okay, so this is the thing. We don't have DB utils, and also like I don't want to execute any of this OGED shit because for one thing, I'm not on AMD 64. This is 90% sure this isn't going to work. Whatever. Yeah, no shit. That's not a valid Python file. This is kind of annoying to me because as far as I can tell, like this Python file, it don't work. Like I'm sure it works fine on Databricks. And if this was a notebook, it would probably work. So probably they exported a notebook and didn't like look at it correctly, which I mean that's fine. That's fine. All other commands are commented out. Let's try that. Yeah, DB utils isn't found either. Can I avoid DB utils? I don't want to use any of this DB utils shit either. Okay. I'm beginning to feel like we're gonna make our own custom version of this. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Databricks notebook source. Hacked by Holden. Mistakes are her fault. License remains. Okay. So, load training data set. Interesting. Okay. So over in trainer, Or maybe, because this does seem to have an entry point, like one that I like. So maybe the thing to do is fix the entry point in the trainer. And that might just simplify life. Love it. Okay. So, Python import relative to self. Like, this is... Oh, wait, is this just missing? No. Okay. How do we fix? How do we make this work in both cases? Yes. Yes, I am lazy. Yes, we do have these though. Like, this is a package, and I want to be able to, like, how do we fix this? I want to be able to call the trainer, but I also like don't want to from dot import consts. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. There's got to be... let's first off see if there's a PR to fix this. What are the pull requests? That's a no. Okay. what else could we do? So the other thing to do is move the main function up. From import main. It's not perfect, but maybe that'll do the trick. From training.trainer import main. That's interesting. I thought I had it in the like stop on first error, but it doesn't seem to be. That's fun. From training trainer import main. Cannot import main from training trainer. Training. Oh wait, yeah, okay, no, wait, sorry. From training trainer import train. What is this add click thing? Click. Okay. Default input module is going to be coming from consts, isn't it? I hate this. Okay, I'll tell you what. Logging is not defined. Fascinating. Wait, what? Cool. Okay. So we're going to make a very, very shady PR. And in fact, okay. Do I have a fork of this? have a fork of this? Well done. I don't know. God damn it. I do. Great. So we're actually gonna okay, and then healthcare, Dolly trainer underscore main.py and Dolly training okay. Sync fork is turned on. Update branch. Okay. Trainer. Allow trainer to be called. Allow Dolly's trainer name to be called. Otherwise, you get an error. About relative imports with no otherwise you get an error. Where was the error? We're going to scroll up until we get the error. It's going to be some more. It's the DB utils error. Go ahead and raise this as a PR, and we will see if they like it. Let's see if they've got a contributing .md that I should read. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. Reproduction. Trainer.py. Create pull request. Cool. How are we going to handle this in the meantime? I'm lazy. Well, yeah, okay, for now this is good enough. We'll deal with that later. Oh, nope, not what I want. Okay. Outer. New model. should then fail, but that's okay. That's a thing to fix. Logger is not defined. Good. Yeah, okay. Cool. No. Still walking. Okay. Interesting. I think my problem here is that we only have one record that we're trying to fine tune on, and that doesn't work so well. Apparently, we need two, maybe. Let's find a second one. Second denial. Okay. Now, this is salmon disease anthem denial letter. And then here, health insurance company, eat my shorts. Needs some workshopping, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, okay, yes. Generator. Yeah, interesting. Sounds good to me. Cool. And then I guess okay. Okay, cool. Promptly fails. Totally okay. Kind of what we expected. It's the cooldown of memory error, but that's okay. So it's like kind of working-ish for now. I guess let's go ahead. Hit ignore. We are going to also ignore out. Run.sh get ignore dataset generator. Initial parts of maybe being able to run. Note depends on sketchy PR from Holden. It's Dolly for exposing the entry point for non-DB customers. Cool. It's a place where we can start. Yes. Yes. Okay. Instruct the logger. I need to do a force please. Fine. Okay. Good enough. Now we're going to go over here to what's this thing called? Totally legit because it's totally legit. Health insurance LLM. Okay, now we go to our health insurance LLM and we run our shady cell script. Okay, and now, okay. So instead what we're going to do here is we're going to clone my version of Dolly, which has like a very, very trivial change. Oh, are there no pull requests? Yeah, there we go. That's the one. That's the one that I care about. Huh. Okay. Does this thing have a requirements.txt or a similar requirements.txt? Okay, yeah. Okay. That's new. That's new. Wonder if we can get away without using deep speed. On ARM specifically. It's a bit of a stretch. Actually, let's go ahead and see. Okay. Doesn't seem to call it, but it probably does. Train Dolly. Training trainer. Okay. Well, let's see if. Oh, okay. This is gonna take a hot minute, I suppose. Let's give it a minute. See if we can run it. Okay, loaded the module. Oh, good morning. Good morning, eh? Okay, still not doing anything with the GPU. It hasn't loaded anything into the GPU either. It's not doing a lot with. Oh, I guess it is. It's picking all the cores. I guess we could turn the other cores on, but it's even then. It's just using 20. Okay, here we go. Okay. TensorBoard callback requires TensorBoard to be installed. Install TensorBoard. I don't know. Is that in the interesting question for me? Not in okay. Well, it's good. It's good. Should really do the upgrade soon, so we've got more storage on this little node. But I mean, hopefully it's enough, and that'll be good. In practice, time will tell. Okay. Oh, the Strange Loop program community. Yes, Strange Loop. It's the last year of Strange Loop, which I'm very sad. I really love that conference. It's very, very lovely. Yes, okay. This is going to take a hot minute. And it's still not actually churning much on the CPU. Oh no, it is. Oh, okay. Let's go NV something power. I feel like none of these. Okay. NVIDIA Jetson change power mode. Yes. NV. Okay. I think it is going to be 0 is the version that we want. And we've got all of our cores doing things. Yeehaw. Okay, still we're just installing gRPC. So it's a little weird, but at least we opened up all 8 cores, so maybe you can take advantage of that. Weird. Questions for future Holden. Questions for future Holden. There are many questions for future Holden, to be clear. But, yeah. Still going. Okay. Well, let's see. Maybe I can walk faster. Won't actually do much about the gRPC install, but yeah, we'll give it 5 minutes, and let's put on some Techno Axe dubstep while we're waiting. Yes. Yes, the dubstep playlist, please. Alexa, turn on Holden speakers. Okay, whatever. So weird to just see it just in CPU mode. Like, why is installing gRPC such a pain in the ass? Or not pain in the... Why is it taking so long to install gRPC, I suppose, is my question. It's not that we're running out of disk space, right? No. I do like strays. I mean, okay, it's just that these ARM cores aren't the fastest, and we just compile a bunch of C++ code. Okay. is the life of a questionable Python developer, I suppose. Waiting for C++ code to compile. Okay, well that'll run. It's got 8 fun little cores. It's using some of them. Probably would benefit from pinning, but that is beyond the scope of things that I want to deal with right now. How long does this take? This takes a really long time, I guess. Let's look up how long this is going to take, because it might just be where we call it for the day. NVIDIA Jetson AGX install gRPCIO Python. Here we go. Search forever. Okay. I mean, all we know is it took forever for someone, but we don't know how long that's going to be for us. So yeah, I'm going to stand by my we'll give it one more minute, and then I'm just going to go ahead and go make dinner, and we'll call it for the night, and we'll come back to this another day. Because I think we're close, but I'm also lazy. But I mean, it's okay. We got 2 good. We got 1 PR out of it, and at the very least, we kind of sort of got it to start, right? It's past the point where it loads the model. The trainer starts off, and then it fails because we don't have TensorBoard installed. So I mean, this is progress. It's not where we want to be, obviously, but it's not bad. Okay. Scroll down, make sure. Yeah, it's not gonna finish, and we've already been going for an hour, which is about as long as I love doing these things. So that's cool. We're gonna wrap up for today. Thanks for saying hi, and thanks everyone for watching. I'll be back probably not tomorrow. Yeah, not Wednesday. Maybe Thursday night. I'm gonna try and be back. Similar, later on in the evening. Probably a little bit even later than this, and probably just a really short one. Thanks, Crash Laker. Thanks for chatting. Yeah, but yeah, so I'll try and come back on Thursday. Tomorrow I've got some stuff to do. Thursday there's dog training in the late afternoon, and then we'll do even later. And yeah, I miss doing those too. I should do more code review. Life has just been really busy. But yeah, maybe I can get some code review sessions going again. I'm hoping there's some stuff at work that's really kind of eating my brain. That I'm hoping I can get in a good state by the end of next week, and then I can maybe do some more fun open source stuff. Although actually, I do want to kind of like see how far I can get with this. So maybe honestly June, July, probably July. I'll kick the code review sessions back up. Because I do miss doing them, but there's a bunch of things that I kind of want to finish in June. So that's my plan. But thank you so much for joining. Especially thank you for watching my old code review sessions. I really appreciate it. And I'll see some of you on Thursday. And hopefully we can finish what we started, which is getting this trivial thing to train, or at the very least get to a new error message. One of the things I tell myself is if I've gotten to a new error message today than I was at yesterday, that is progress, even if it doesn't feel like it. Okay, bye. Ooh.